Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good morning so far. It is Freaky Friday and NFP Non-Farm Payrolls Friday. Friday, October the 4th. It is 9:29. We're 1 minute away from the open. NFP came out. Big spike rally here, guys. This is the daily charts, by the way, for the two sisters, NASDAQ and S&P. We now have a very strong up day and bullish body on both the NASDAQ and the S&P. On both, we took out 2 days highs. Today's Friday, of course, we took out Thursday and Wednesday, and we're looking or gunning to take out potentially later on today, Wednesday as well. I should say Tuesday as well. This is the Tuesday candle here, the big blue one. Let's move over to the 1 minute charts here, guys, for the open, which happens in about 20 seconds. This is VWAP, volume weighted average price. There's the news reaction right there at 8:30. Been rallying and now grinding a little bit sideways, congesting, dropping down here a bit on the S&P. The open will tell it all, of course, and we will see how the broad market reacts to the news and assimilates everything. All right, guys, we are open on the New York session. I'm going to zoom in closer so we can watch this in more detail, of course. But we are way above VWAP, volume weighted average price. Here's a retracement of a little bit of that move out of the open. I'm not going to jump on anything here, guys. I'm going to drop down to the 30-second chart here on my trading grid for some more surgical detail. So pulling back into the pre-market and now into the open itself. There's that daily bullish candle, guys, taking out 2 days. On the 30-minute chart, we completed an entire clean traffic range that goes way back here to October 1st, today being the 4th. And now rejecting down or retracing down at least part of this move. We are extended, guys, and so a down move is to be expected and or certainly understood in the context of what we're looking at. Here are the two sisters, both doing the same thing, pulling back down towards VWAP, of course, far, far away here, or fairly far away, I should say. Not doing anything yet. Just patiently waiting here, guys, watching. See if we get some kind of retracement here. There might be a move lower, but I want some more structure before acting upon that. Now, there's a retracement, guys, back into the open range. Let's see if we can get a break and a retest. Let's see if we can get a breakdown below or if this thing's going to resolve higher. We'll see. All right, guys, so we've pulled back into the open range, looking like we're rounding over on both sisters. Let's come back to trading screens. Tempted to consider an entry here, guys, not going to. I want to see an extreme break of the session low in order to jump on this thing. So sell stop order, guys, right there. Here we go. Here comes the drop. And bring you over to the 30-minute chart. I show you how I revise zones. This zone can be deleted now. This one can stay where it is, but get replicated to just under here. This is the news candle. So an extremely important part right here. This is a zone all by itself, right? You see that? This marker is gone because the mission was accomplished. So this is a live order, guys, but I will delete it immediately if we break above here because then my trade idea is null and void. Pretty simple. Here we go, guys. And I'm in, guys. I am in short the NASDAQ after this grinding tug of war between the bulls and the bears, the buyers and the sellers, the longs and the shorts, the good and evil. Now it's the waiting game. Let's see how we do. So why am I short here, guys? Well, we have an extended rally on NFP. Over the last couple of years, many of these moves have been partially, if not completely, erased during the same session or the following session. We also rallied back into this key area here of these two bodies several days ago, right? This was Tuesday, pardon me, and that was Monday. back in, dropping down on an extended move, having broken 2 prior days highs. Very extended pre-market candle, super large candle on a relative basis on the 30-minute chart. Equal body highs, breaking down below prior candle low on the 30-minute chart. That was not my entry, however. I wanted to see things grind out here at tug of war and then break session lows here on the 1-minute chart. This is the 32nd, but it will be the same. And now driving down. Moving my stop to break even now, guys. I want to make sure that we have a no lose on this Freaky Friday with NFP price action. And there it is, guys. Have to be patient on that one in this grind, although any shorts below the open range would have eventually paid off if the stop was in its proper place, which is right here. Have an amazing day, guys. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you. Talk soon.